The choice across the board, deny the herald is young. If your heart lays with the rebel, what you see.
Hello everybody. I'm pretty sure you know where we're at. We're back taking a revisit on the Sears. Beautiful machine. So yeah, we will give this a run. Wall panel, it's not original. Here's a door. It's a Wayne Dalton. Information is there. I close it. Front the unit. It's really cold out here. The panels. I might get something set up here for a release rope, maybe. So, if I find anything I can use, that will probably be a possibility. I don't know how to increase the limits, or I may increase the up limit if I could. Here's this Chamberlain that happens to be here. And I just knocked over a cup. I don't know what the information is on that. Should be a model number there. 390. It's on this side. I can't really see it from over here. But it's one of these. Really nice machine. We will run the Sears back up from over here and then back down again. Actually, I think we'll get a different view.